So in this problem, we're told that x is an element of the population with a mean of 12 and standard deviation of 3. That's what this n12 out to the side means. It means this stands for the population, the n. This is the mean, and this is the standard deviation. So what is the z-score of x? We also should note that we are assuming normality, because that's what makes z-scores meaningful when we're looking at individual data sets, when we're looking at multiple data sets, when we're comparing values from two different data sets, which is the main purpose of z-scores, to be honest with you. Then all that matters is that the distributions are similar. When we're looking at just the z-score within one data set, then we're assuming normality. So let's look at the z-score. Remember, z equals the value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. So our value in this case is x equals 1. So 1 minus our mean is 12 divided by our standard deviation, which is 3. So that equals negative 11 thirds. So there's our z-score, negative 11 thirds. Now what this means is that x equals 1 is 3 2/3, because that's what 11 thirds is. 3 2/3 is 3 2/3 standard deviations to the left or below the mean. To the left of or below the mean, and that's because it's negative. So again, z-scores are how many standard deviations is the value in question from the mean. If it's negative, that means it's below the mean by that many standard deviations. If it's positive, it means it's above it.